following message is transmitted at the request of the Lucella Police Department. This situation has gotten worse to the point that the infection population is rapidly increasing every time someone is infected. The infected creatures have also gained strength, meaning that they can attack you when you try to attack them. The whole infected population has spread it across the area of Lucella. There is no point in fighting back anymore. All residents must evacuate immediately to a different location. Evacuation shelters are being set up by local authorities. Location of these shelters will be announced over local news media outlets. Residents are being asked to bring their own supplies, and to proceed in an orderly manner. Do not approach any individual who is infected. Limited use of telephone and cell phones at this time. Leave the lines open for emergency use. If you suspect an individual who is infected, quarantine them, then dial 911 immediately. Tune to local news media outlets for further details and information on this situation. This message will